Hello everyone. So to enter Among Us voice chat in Tiya app, just go to the app, create an account, go to the middle tab, and then here you will see AmongUsMatch. So it's a random voice chat match where you can just find different people, random people with who you can talk first, and then you can create a Among Us game. So that's the idea. The quality of these chats is not always the best, but let's just try it out. You get the idea, and then you can just talk and you can just join Among Us game. So that's how it works.